Hey my lovely students, welcome back again. So from the title itself, it's very clear that you get to know what this video is all about. Okay. So let me tell you again that this video is very important for 10th class students who are going to give their SSC exam in 2023 to 24. Means this year itself. Okay. So this video is all about SSC important questions for C and D grade students, means slow learners and very slow learner students. For them, this video is modified for those students. Okay, from each chapter you can just see the weightage of marks also if you go through these chapters well, and I assure you that you will get a full marks. Means you are not going to fail in mathematics subjects. Okay, let's see from which chapter what questions are given. Okay, the questions which we provided here are the very most important questions, and which has come in the previous exams also. So please don't waste your time, just put tick marks in your classworks as well as in your textbooks also, and go through all those questions which we are going to give you in this video. Okay, in this video we are going to provide you 4 marks questions and 2 marks questions, okay, from each chapter. Okay guys, let's enter into the video, and 8 marks questions also we have given. Okay, let's see from the first chapter, means real numbers, in the selected list of chapters. Okay, let's see first 8 marks questions. In the 8 marks questions, 6 questions are provided for you. Just mark all those 6 questions and do practice well without leaving each and every question. Okay guys, so for 2 and 4 marks questions, 8 questions are given for you. Okay, these are all the picked questions from previous papers also. Okay, so please don't try to leave these questions. Okay, if someone is watching this video like means average students or intelligent students, these questions may be helpful for you too to get practice once again. Okay, next from sets chapter, 8 marks questions are 3, and here next is one Venn diagram is given for you. So you have to know how to draw all these Venn diagram for A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. Okay, these are all. And for 2 and 4 marks question, you have to go through all these 9 questions. Okay, particularly you have to do without wasting any time. And for maths practice, early morning is the best time because your mind will be fresh, and at that time if you practice well, it just fixed in your mind for until you give your exam. Okay, mark it in your classworks or else textbooks or wherever it is, or if you have any time, just you just write it down in fresh notes like question, and after that you write down the answer like that. It will be easy for you for the practice as well as for the last when you go and give your exam. At that time you can just go through all these questions which you have wrote at one place. Okay, so mark it guys. Second question is also important, and 6th question is very important guys, I must tell you this. Okay, for 4 marks, for even for bit paper also, you'll get to have this type of questions you need to do. Okay, and please help your friends also. Do share this video with your friends so that they also do practice these questions and get full marks in the math subject. Okay, let's move to the next chapter, that is statistics. Statistics is also dead easy chapter. Okay, here mainly you have to focus upon mean, median and mode, and this type of tabular questions. These questions will be asked for 4 marks, 8 marks also. Okay, beside you have 2 marks and 4 marks questions. in which they are going to ask you, like fourth question, just say find the mean of first 10 natural numbers or first 7 prime numbers, like this. Okay, sixth one is very important, median of finding. You have to median of something and they will give you answer like 6. You have to find out the value of x, like that. Okay, so mark all these questions. Next we'll move to the next chapter. Are you done marking? Okay. Make it fast. Okay, the very next chapter is probability. In probability, these are all the questions you have to mark and do practice well. I know this chapter is somewhat confused, okay, but still you have to give your best. Until you practice, you can't get highest marks in this subject, guys. After you practice these all questions well, and after you attempt the exam, inshallah you have to come back to my video again and do a comment, how was your exam, how was the paper. Okay, so here is a small note for you. Just go through this note. Here in the note, it's just an important point for you. So you see, sets and probability have to learn full chapters. Okay, here is a small note for you that you have to go through the entire chapter. What are those? Sets and probability. These two chapters you have to thoroughly prepared. Okay, especially in sets, you have to focus on the set builder in the roster form, prime numbers, composite, odd, even, multiple, factors and prime factors. Okay, next we'll move to the next chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is so easy. It's just a piece of cake for you. So if you want to get full marks in coordinate geometry, you have to go through the formulas well. You have to by heart, you have to memorize the formulas. Then only you can do any type of problems when it comes from this chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, mark all those questions, 8 marks and 2 and 4 marks questions. Okay, you just zoom the video and mark it in your classworks and textbooks. Still you are watching my video and most of you didn't hit the like button also. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Press the bell icon also for new videos, and if you want any help, anything that you want me to upload, please don't hesitate and write down your comment in my comment section. Okay, inshallah I'll try to make the video based upon your wish. Okay, okay, next chapter is polynomials chapter. Okay, next chapter is polynomials. Okay, here 8 marks question I have given total 6. You have to go through all these 6 questions. It is a graph question. Okay, you have to find the zeros. Okay, next 1 mark question in the graph. Next 2 and 4 marks questions. There are 7 are there. Mark all those questions. And polynomials is also very important chapter, and it's very easy if you try to understood how to find the values, how to draw a graph, everything else. Okay. Next we'll see the next chapter, and that is linear equations and quadratic equations. Okay, besides only I have given both are side by side. Just go through in both the chapters. 8 marks question and 2 and 4 marks questions are given. Just go through it. Next we'll see tangents and secants to a circle, as well as similar triangles chapters, both side by side. Just mark all those questions. So here only 2 marks questions are there, no 8 marks question and 4 marks questions. Okay, from these chapters you are going to have only 2 marks questions. And what are those I have given here. Actually, these questions are prepared by most experienced teacher. Okay. I assure you that if you go through all these questions well and do practice well, and you will never fail in mathematics in SSC exam. Okay. You will get surprised by yourself by seeing your own marks, because you are not going to get only 35 or 40 marks. More than that means 70 or 75, 85, up to 85 you can get. If you prepare all the questions whatever I have given you here, then you can reach up to 90 and 90 plus also, inshallah. Okay, so this is the trigonometry chapter questions. Okay, 8 marks questions, 3 given. All these 3 are very important. Okay, I have given you small note here. You have to concentrate on 4 marks and 2 marks as well. Okay, next application of trigonometry as well as progression chapter is dead easy. Okay, you have to mainly focus on the AP and GP like that. And here application of geometry, you have to keep focus on the diagram questions, angle of elevation, angle of depression, like this. Okay, next, here I would like to give you a small hint that the students who are very slow in mathematics, you just focus on the easy chapters like progression, coordinate geometry, like that. Okay, next sets, after that statistics, like that. Then you have to move for the average level type. At last you have to reach for the difficult one. okay, difficult like trigonometry, like that. Mensuration last I have given you here, only 4 marks and 2 marks questions, okay. Mark it in your books. Thank you so much for